Alright, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Noah Henderson, and today we're going to be cooking some Gallo Pinto. We're going to do it backpacking style. Gallo Pinto is Nicaraguan. It actually, in Spanish, it means spotted rooster because when it's done, all the beans and rice makes it look spotted. Well, let's get started. First thing we want to do is get our stove ready. Go ahead and add 12 ounces of water to your pan. Alright. Go ahead and light the stove. It's lit. Start getting this water boiling. Next thing we're going to do, I've already got it ready. Go ahead and get some white or yellow onions, some bell peppers, and I like to add some jalapeno in there just for a little bit of extra kick. Go ahead and get them soaking in water because we're going to add them with the rice. With the rice, you got your choice. You can either use any kind of instant rice, or traditionally it would be used with rice that you cooked yesterday and reheated for this. Make sure there's heat. There is definitely heat. Okay. Stay up. Let's go ahead and pour the rice in. And nothing is here. And remove this windshield because it isn't working. Go ahead and put this directly on the stove. Alright, while the rice is getting ready, if you want, you can go ahead and stir in your vegetables pre-soaked. It's about a quarter cup of each vegetable. With jalapenos, you can decide if you want more or less, depending on how spicy you like it. Once you get all your rice cooked and everything, what you're going to do is go ahead and dump some beans on it and cook your beans. I used canned beans for this. If you don't want to carry a can in the backcountry, what you can always do is cook your beans before the trip and throw them in like a plastic bag, good Ziploc bag, double bag it, a little lightweight Tupperware, anything like that. And once you get them in there, you stir them up. On your flames. My flames are not going. Add a little bit more fuel. And you stir it all up. Get it all mixed up. It's good to have a little bit of the bean juice in there for extra flavoring. Just mix it all together. After you've mixed it for a good amount, got it good mixed up, everything how you want it, you're going to do is you're going to add some Worcestershire sauce. Just throw it in any kind of container you got. And you need about a 1/4 cup. And just dump it on there for extra flavoring. And you stir it a little bit. And you want to let this cook for about 5 minutes or until a good amount of the liquid has been absorbed into the rice and beans. And be sure to stir that occasionally. Alright, and the last thing you're going to do, you're going to grab some cilantro. You can use dried cilantro or fresh cilantro. Why can't it say that? And you're just going to sprinkle in a little bit, however much you like. If you like a lot, add a lot. If you don't like it at all, don't put very much in, or any. And just stir it for about a minute or two. And after that, it's ready to serve. Go ahead and remove it from heat. Set it down, you're ready to serve it. Now traditionally this meal is served with like a tortilla, which is always good backpacking. Serve it with tortillas, it's good with cheese. If you want to have the leftovers for breakfast, if you got some egg on a regular camping trip, scramble an egg in there.